What is up, guys? It's Robert here. I'm just out here on my motorcycle. Just kidding. I just got done working out. I have something exciting to kind of share with you guys. I was watching the market last night and there's this penny stock that got pumped up to this $6 range from the $3 range yesterday. And I've mentioned this before in my videos, but these are perfect for short selling. Let's go home and I'm going to share this trade with you guys. What is up, ladies and gentlemen? In today's video, I'm going to be covering a swing trade that I did over the weekend. I found some shares to short in the pre-market for the stock WMLP. It's a small cap penny stock, if you want to call it. My short position started at $3.05. Let's go into this trade. It is a swing trade. I did hold this position overnight, and if you guys can recall from one of my other videos about short selling, we have to locate the shares first from your brokerage and then short them because they're sometimes not available on these small caps. And so in this video I'll be going over a trade that made me $11,388. So this is a prime example on how you can grow a small amount of money into a large amount of money by knowing technical analysis and knowing support and resistance levels. Let's just go into this. I hope you guys enjoy. I didn't really go into detail in my last video, but what you see here is a candlestick, and this represents, right now I'm looking at it on a daily basis, so looking at on a daily candle, this represents the high and low and the open and close of the price in that time frame. So I usually use a 5-minute time frame to base my trades off of. I shorted this because, like I said before, you have to find a penny stock that's kind of pumped up, and as you can see, this thing is, it's not usually around the $5 price range. So I took this short on Friday and I just held it because I knew this thing was going to come crashing down. This is sort of what I advise if you're going to get into day trading with a small account. Day trade these penny stocks that get pumped up. You can definitely tell. So as I was saying, each candle represents a day. Finding a lot of shares to short is usually impossible most of the time, just because brokerages don't have them. When you are day trading these or swing trading these small caps, there's a lot of upside potential. And you guys can check out Warrior Trader. He took a $500 account and grew it to $700,000. And he just uses a very aggressive trading style, similar to this. So if you guys want to go look into his channel, you guys can learn a lot more. If you have any questions about what's going on, I would love to explain it. So basically what you see here is my P&L, and it shows you, my open position is unrealized and my total realized amount, which is what I've profited. And here's the level 2, which shows the price and the spread, the bid and the ask. And here's just the chart that you use to base your technical analysis off of. I'm basically covering my position down here at this price. And this is gonna be a short video today, guys. I have a lot of things to take care of today. This is the beauty of Wall Street. If you're able to make this work for yourself, then you're in a very good position financially and freedom-wise. Like, you'll have a lot of freedom to be able to live the life that you want and not what anyone else is telling you to do. Thank you guys for watching. Please leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe if you thought this was entertaining, and I will see you guys next time.